This is actually an amazing platform right here called the Tumblr.com, and this platform is actually a social media platform likened to platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and the rest right here. This is a very cool social media platform, as you can actually see right here. And if you actually go on to analyzing this platform with the similar web statistics, you will actually do find out that this platform gets lots of traffic. You can see right now that it gets about 194.8 million visits in the last 28 days. And going on to checking the country that actually gets traffic the most from is actually the United States. It gets about 46% of its traffic from the United States, 5% from United Kingdom, 5% from Canada, 3% from Germany, and 3% from Australia. So you can actually do see right here that it gets most of its traffic from the United States, which is why it is quite more advisable to go on to using that platform to make money with CPA grip or CPA marketing by promoting United States offers right now. So if you actually do go onto this platform called CPA grip, you can actually go on to creating an account or register for an account right here. You'll be able to see a register icon in this section. Click on that. Follow the necessary steps which will be shown to actually get your account created by filling out the basic form right there. But before we dive right into today's video properly, you want to just simply check out my channel. Guys, if you are new to this particular or if you're new to my video right now, you will actually find out that I create videos about CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and how to make money online. If you do like such content, make sure you go on to subscribing to my channel so that I do alert you whenever I release much more amazing videos that could be helpful to you in boosting your income online. You could also go on to checking out the videos I've actually published on my channel, and they can actually also help you go on to boosting your income online. So jumping right back into today's video, if you're actually going to log in into your account, as you can see right now, I'm logged into my account, and to get to this page right now, come right here, click on offer tools, select my offers, and you should be brought to a page that will look similar to this. But because this particular platform right here, Tumblr, actually gets about 90% or 45% of its traffic from the United States, I'm actually going to go back right here and go on to selecting the United States demographic. If I come right here, select this demographic, I will be shown offers available to that demographic right now. So I'm just going to come right now and actually filter the offers based on payout right here to actually see from the highest paying offers to the lowest paying offer. And you want to just simply select the kind of a giveaway offer. This is a very cool example right now for you, your leads to actually go on to claiming $1,000 right now in cash. And this is actually for people in the United States that uses Apple iOS and devices, and they just need to submit their email address and zip code. Going through this your simple survey using this your unique affiliate link right now, and you do get paid $1.15. So what you want to do is to copy this link right now and go on to promoting this page right here. But to promote this offer, guys, you want to just simply create a simple landing page. You may use the Google site right here. You may use the breezy.io, the systemy.io, or you could go on to using the Warrior Plus. Make sure you do create a cool and amazing landing page that you want to link that offer to. And once you do link that offer to that landing page right now, you could go on to promoting the landing page using this particular platform called Tumblr.com. So all you need to do is to just simply follow the same strategy which you actually do use for platforms like Facebook right now. All you need to do is to just simply come right here, click on text, and you want to just simply go on to drafting in a very cool call to action which you can actually go on to publishing right here. So you can actually go on to utilizing platforms like ChatGPT right here to actually develop some cool copies which you can use to promote that offer. So right now I could just simply ask ChatGPT to write a very short article on how to make money online, and I'm also going to ask ChatGPT to also include the call to action for a giveaway worth $1,000. And if I do click on enter right now, ChatGPT actually went on to writing a very cool article right here for me right now. So you can see the article quite looks amazing, and you can see right now, guys, it actually included that giveaway which says, as a token of our appreciation for your interest in online income generation, we're excited to announce giveaway worth $1,000 to one lucky reader. To enter, simply subscribe to our newsletter and stay updated on the latest tips and trends in the world right now. So you can actually go into editing this particular section to your preference, telling them to actually click the link which you're actually going to give them right now to actually complete an offer, and they do actually stand a chance of winning that particular amount. What you want to do right now is to actually go into copying this particular text right here. You can see it actually came up with a very cool title, so you just simply use that right there to your preference, copy the text. I'm just going to copy this, and once you do copy that right now, you could actually head back to Tumblr and actually go into pasting that in right here. So supposing guys you want to just simply add in a section that says click here. So if I do add in some section like this which says to enter, click here, I'm going to highlight this and I can actually do insert a link to this right now. So if I do click on that link icon, you want to paste in the link to the landing page, or you can actually do paste in the link to your CPA marketing offer directly. Once you copy that link, actually paste that in right here and go on to clicking on done. So for as many people that do come right here and click on click here, it's automatically going to take them to this particular offer for them to complete, and you actually do get paid some cool affiliate commission, but they stand a chance of winning that $1,000 right there. So this is actually a very cool strategy you can actually go on to using to go on to making money online, because if you do publish this on this particular platform, you can use that to actually go on to getting cool traffic. So right now you could just want to give this a simple title right now. If I do come right here and actually head back to that particular article which GPT actually went on to writing, I'm just going to come right here, copy this particular title right now. If I copy the title, I'm going to head back to that particular platform, paste that in right here, and actually do go on to inserting this. So once you do go on to publishing this right here, you're actually going to be getting some cool traffic to this right now, and that traffic right there is actually going to come from the United States, the most of which you can actually do get cool conversions to that particular CPA marketing offer, because once you're getting conversions, you're going to be getting cool affiliate commission and you're going to be making money online with this strategy. You could also go on to add in images if you want to right now, and make sure you do add in some cool tags that can help people actually go on to finding out your post. You could add tags related to make money online right now and go on to publishing this right here. So these are an amazing strategy. I do hope you just try out right now to make money online. If this video was helpful, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and make sure your notification bell is turned on all. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video guys, and goodbye.